Good morning, everybody. What are we looking at here? We're looking at my little simple stove. Got the old propane torch, heating up the old coffee. It's like camping in your own apartment. Good morning. It's Friday the 27th of August, 2021. Just waking up here in Tijuana, Mexico. Looking north towards the U.S. border and the Tijuana airport. Out my window here. Listening to my Bloomberg radio news so I can get my stock market report. Yep. I'm currently interested in Nokia Corporation. $6 a share this morning. 5G. It's coming. It's coming big time. Breakfast of Champion. Polveroni's orange flavored cookies. Got everything I need for cooking. Cooking here at my desktop cooker. Right here. Converted charcoal starter into a little stovetop. Look at this. Keeping the coffee nice and hot on my Ozark Trail metal coffee cup. That's what I need. And why do I need it? Because, believe it or not, we live here in a third world country. Mexico. Yes, it's right next door to San Diego, California. But you don't know how many times we wake up with no running water. No water for days. Can't even flush the toilet, can't take showers. If we're going to cook anything, we got to do it with bottled water. It's not easy. But my little Honduran woman here, Norita, and we survive in Mexico by selling in the street swap meets. And then I do some trading on Wall Street through the internet, of course. And I get my retirement check, which helps. If it wasn't for that, I couldn't live here in Mexico. The average Mexican makes about $10 to $20 a day. And I get my retirement check, and then we try to make extra money by selling in the street swap meets. You'll see later. But my website is all about how to survive in a third world country, which I feel someday we're going to need it. We're going to need it big time. Everybody should know how to survive when the crap hits the fan. So, on that, we'll take a break and talk to you in a little while.